Hey fellow Jeepers, today I did a thing. Today I installed the Combat Off-Road Turnbuckle hood latches. The quality is just absolutely amazing. The whole install took approximately, I don't know, probably an hour. Taking my time. Very easy to do. Bolts are very easy to get to on the old ones when you remove them. But again, the quality is just absolutely amazing. I love it. Looking forward to it. I feel my hood's a little bit more secure, given the quality and heavy dutiness of the hood latches. Anyway, that's it. Again, Combat Off-Road Turnbuckle hood latches. Very easy to install. Quality price. Fast shipping. Don't miss it. Get you some.